Welcome back, everyone, to another episode. Today we are gonna do drawing with markers and ink pen. And the drawing of today that I decided to do, basically, I like to draw animals, and especially I like to draw birds. And today I've been inspired by a beautiful photo that I found of an amazing photographer in Instagram of a BlueTit bird, and this photographer was super happy that I used this photo, and I will put the link of his profile, which is very nice and amazing, on the description. I like birds in general because for me they're a symbol of freedom, and birds, they just fly in the sky in the clouds and sing in the morning, and they don't really stress. They just enjoy life and celebrate life. And I think in general we should. I mean, you can learn a lot by animals. They know really, I think, how to enjoy every moment without stressing too much about sometimes stupid things. This is my third. I think it's my third bird. No, my fourth. So my first one was a robin, then I drew a blue catcher, a wagtail that has been adopted, and now I'm doing this BlueTit. It's so cute. I must say also that I've been inspired by a beautiful book that was called Metamorphose on board the ciel, which was written by Mathias Malzieu. And this book is beautiful. I really advise you to this book, and I won't spoiler it, but the story is beautiful. It's very emotional, and the protagonist is this man that does whatever he can to basically become a bird because he loves to fly, and he loves birds basically. So, but the book is amazing and it's very beautiful, and I really advise it to give it a shot. And for the materials used in this drawing, I will use always a Sakura Micron 0.1 pen, and I don't sketch. I will draw watching at the photo because I like to do this. And then after this, I will use new markers that I bought. These markers are very good and not very expensive, and they are the Ohuhu markers. And I wanted to buy these markers since several times. And since some of my markers are basically expiring, finishing, the alcohol is finishing, I decided to buy these markers and to try. And for the value, so the price and quality value is very good. I will probably do a review in the future about these markers, which are extremely good to start with. And if you like to draw with markers, at some point you can buy, mentally more expensive one, but I think these ones are amazing to start on. And I actually like the intensity of these markers and how the color or process and the colors popped up on the paper. So I like to add details like cap and feathers and other accessories and whistles. I added a whistle, and I think is like some kind of watcher or protector of some kind of secret magical ritual. And I hope you will like the coloring process that is that will be after. And thank you again for joining, and then see you to the next video. Thank you very much. Bye.